Hi guys, this is another wonderful finger practice that will again help you get stronger, synchronize and divide your mind in playing things and songs. What we did just now was chords on the left hand, and on the right hand we played the scale along with the voicing of an arpeggio. These are the basics that are very important, because later whenever we play songs, these are the main things that help to play a song, to identify a song. Because the more we play these type of practices help us to tune our ears to the minute melody of different songs that you like to listen and play. So practice the songs, because practice makes everyone better.